A tragic and controversial case out of Texas is once again making headlines after a legal expert spoke out about why a father who fatally shot his own daughter will not face criminal charges. The heartbreaking incident dates back to January 2025, when 23-year-old Lucy Harrison was visiting her father, Chris Harrison, at his home in Prosper, a suburb near Dallas. According to reports, the father and daughter had a heated argument that included political disagreements and discussions about gun rights. Tensions escalated throughout the day, and later, Chris claimed he was showing Lucy his legally owned Glock 9mm handgun when the weapon suddenly discharged. The gunshot struck Lucy in the chest, killing her. Despite the tragic outcome and the circumstances surrounding the shooting, a Collin County grand jury ultimately ruled the death accidental and declined to indict Chris Harrison. That decision meant he would not face charges such as manslaughter or criminally negligent homicide, a conclusion that has sparked strong reactions and public debate. Now, Austin-based criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor Lindsay Richards is weighing in on the case, suggesting that the political climate and conservative nature of the county may have influenced the grand jury's decision. Richards argued that the evidence described, including the handling of a firearm during an argument and alleged alcohol consumption, could meet the threshold for criminal negligence in many other cases. Reports indicate that Harrison had consumed alcohol earlier that day, which Richards believes should have been considered more heavily when evaluating potential charges. She pointed out that in Texas, people have been indicted for less reckless actions, including dangerous driving incidents. According to her, pointing a firearm while intoxicated during a heated situation raises serious concerns about safety and responsibility. Lucy's mother, Jane Coates, has previously described the outcome as deeply confusing and painful, expressing disbelief that no charges were filed following her daughter's death. She has continued to speak publicly about her grief and the lasting impact of the loss on their family. Legal experts also noted that while Texas has relatively permissive gun laws, self-defense statutes would not typically apply in a situation involving a family member during a domestic argument. The case has sparked broader conversations about firearm safety, legal accountability, and how grand juries interpret incidents labeled as accidental. As discussions continue, the tragedy remains a painful reminder of how quickly family conflicts can turn fatal, and how legal decisions in emotionally charged cases can divide public opinion and leave families searching for answers.